Dear students, welcome to Mathematics CET classes. In this class, we will discuss CET questions on indefinite integrals. I am not making the list of all the formulas here. Those who don't have list of all the integrals formula, please make a note of it. And a synopsis I will be explaining while solving the problems. Now, here is the first question. Integration of 3 into cosecant square x plus 2 into sin 3x. Simple one it is based on the formula. This can be written as 3 is a constant multiple. We will write it outside. 3 into integration of cosecant square x with respect to x plus 2 into integration of 2 sin 3x is there. 2 I am writing outside. This is integration of sin 3x with respect to x. Okay, here it is a direct formula. What about the integration of sin 3x? You remember one trick here, that is, suppose integration of f of ax plus b with respect to x type is there. Here we no need to go with the substitution method by substituting t equal to 3x and all. Suppose the integration of f of ax plus b with respect to x, this type of integration is there. F means here is a function of a linear function should be there. Function and a linear function should be there. Suppose integration of small f of x with respect to x is a capital F of x plus c. Now integration of f of ax plus b with respect to x can be written as a capital F of ax plus b divided by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is a plus c. This is the answer. Here same question is there. Let me see it. 3 into, what is integration of cosecant square x? Integration of cosecant square x is minus cos x, minus cot x. It is according to the direct formula. Plus 2 into, what is integration of sine? Integration of sine is minus cos. But here 3x is there. It is according to the function f of ax plus b. F in the sense function sine. Ax plus b is nothing but 3x plus 0. B value is 0. So integration of sine, here integration of small f is capital F, in the same way integration of sine is minus cos 3x, whatever is there, right, divided by coefficient of x. You should write coefficient of x is 3 plus c. So this is minus 3 cot x plus into minus 2 by 3 into cos 3x plus c. Which option here? Option B. Just they have taken minus common. This is the option for a first question. Now answering second question. Simple one it is, direct. Integration of 2 into sin x plus 1 by x with respect to x. 2 as it is, integration of sin x is minus cos x. I will write it as minus 2 cos x plus integration of 1 by x. We know differentiation of log x with respect to x is 1 by x. So differentiation is inverse process of integration. So here 1 by x integration is log x. Very simple. So minus 2 cos x plus log x plus c is the answer. Which option here? Option A. Next, question number 3. Integration of 1 by 4x square plus 9 with respect to x. Suppose any this kind of questions are there, what you do, you try to have a x square coefficient as 1. Even if x square coefficient is not 1, we can solve it, but it's somewhat complicated one. What you do, take x square, means take x square coefficient common here. Means I am taking 4 common from these two terms. X square plus 9 by 4 will be there. 4 means 1 by 4 you write out of the integral. 1 by 4 into integral of 1 by x square plus 9 by 4 we will write it as 3 by 2 whole square. You see, it is in the form of integration of 1 by x square plus a square with respect to x. I am using this integral. What is its integral? Its integral is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. So answer for the above question is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is, it is as it is. Now we are integrating this 1 by a. In place of a, what is there? 3 by 2 is there. 1 by 3 by 2 into tan inverse of x by 3 by 2 plus c. 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 into tan inverse of 2x by 3 plus c. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Here it is 2 into 3, 6 in the denominator. 1 by 6 into tan inverse of 2x plus 3. Which option? C. Sorry, 2x by 3. Now answering fourth question. The value of integration of 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x with respect to x. Very simple it is. Directly we can answer. One thing you observe, inside the function, inside the root, there is a function 1 minus x. It is a linear function. Highest power of x is 1. Directly we can integrate. How will you integrate? Integration of 1 by root x with respect to x is 2 into root x plus c. You remember this as a standard formula. I am remembering this as a standard formula. So it is of the same kind, you know. So 2 into square root of 1 minus x divided by coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x? Minus 1 plus c. How will you write it? Minus 2 into square root of 1 minus x plus c. Which option here? Option B is correct one. Next, coming to the question number 5. Question number 5 is integration of 1 by 1 minus x square. It is in the form of integration of 1 by a square minus x square. 1 is there, you know, you can write it as 1 square. It is in the form 1 by a square minus x square with respect to x. What is its integral? Its integral is 1 by 2a into log of mod of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Okay, here in the same way integrating it. Integration of 1 divided by 1 square minus x square with respect to x equal to 1 by 2a. In place of a, what is there? 1 is there. 1 by 2a, 2 into 1 into 1 by 2 into log of mod of a is 1. 1 plus x by 1 minus x plus c. Which option here? Option D is correct one. Sixth question. See, all these kind of questions we can directly solve if we know the formula. So better make a list of all the formula you have in integrals. We can solve many problems very easily. Sixth question. It is also based on the direct formula. Integration of square root of a square plus x square with respect to x. Integration of square root of a square plus x square with respect to x. These are three formulas like this. How to remember, you know? X by 2 into whatever is there. X by 2 into whatever is there. Here plus a square is there means plus a square by 2 into, suppose this term is there in the denominator. How will you integrate it? We will integrate it as log of mod of x plus square root of x square plus a square or a square plus x, both of them. So this is what the formula we know. Is this of the same type or not? Yes, it is of the same type. Integration of square root of 1 square plus x square with respect to x. In place of a, what is that? 1 is there. X by 2. Okay, x by 2 into whatever is there. 1 plus x square plus of a is 1 here. 1 square by 2 means 1 by 2 into log of mod of x plus a square root of 1 plus x square plus c. Which option here? Option A is correct. Just by seeing the formula, means just by seeing the problem, square root of 1 plus x square, we can think like there will be two terms. Here only one terms are there. We can take the option A. Directly we can take. But the thing is that here is a option none of these. So we have to be careful. You need to solve it. Next, question number 7. Question number 7 is of the type integration of 1 divided by square root of a square minus x square with respect to x. What is its integral? Its integral is sine inverse of x by a plus c. Its integral is sine inverse of x by a plus c. But here log of 1 by 2 is not there. Log 2 is there. So what to do here? Integration of 1 divided by square root of log of 1 by 2 is there. No? We will use the formula log of m by n. Log of m by n is equal to log m minus log n. So here it is log 1 minus log 2 whole square minus of x square as it is. Whole integral with respect to x. Now integration of 1 divided by square root of log 1 value 0. 0 minus log 2 whole square minus x square with respect to x. So this is integral of 1 divided by square root of minus square is nothing but plus. So log 2 square minus x square with respect to x. Now you see it is in the form of 1 divided by square root of a square minus x square. Its integration is sin inverse of x by a. Here also its integration is sin inverse of x by. In place of a, what is there? Log 2 is there. Log 2 plus c. Which option? Option A is correct. Answering question number 8. Integration of 1 divided by 9 minus 4x square with respect to x. What I told you? I told you like whatever the coefficient of x is there, you should try to have it as 1 or minus 1. Let me take 4 common here. 1 divided by, if you take 4 common, this is 9 by 4 minus x square with respect to x. 1 by 4 you write out of the integral. 1 by 4 into integral of 1 divided by 9 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 2 whole square minus x square with respect to x. Now it is in which form? It is in the form of integration of 1 by a square minus x square with respect to x. We know its integral as 1 by 2a into log of mod of a plus x by a minus x plus c. Here also we will use 1 by 4 is outside as it is. In place of a we have 3 by 2 here. So 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 into log of mod of 3 by 2 plus x, 3 by 2 minus x plus c. Here 2 to get cancels out. 1 by 4 into 3, 12 into log of mod of 2 will cross multiply. 3 plus 2x by 2 divided by 3 minus 2x by 2 plus c. This by 2 get cancels out. We left with 1 by 12 into log of mod of 3 plus 2x by 3 minus 2x plus c. Which option here? Option B. Option B is correct. Now answering question number 9. Ninth question is integration of square root of 1 minus sin 2x. To avoid this square root, what I do, I will rewrite this formula as 1 is there, we know the formula cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. 1 I am writing it as cos square x plus sin square x minus sin 2x. We know the formula sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x into dx. That will be that. Square root of means integration of square root of, inside the root it is in the form a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab is nothing but a minus b whole square. Here it is cos x minus sin x whole square. Cos x minus sin x whole square. Square and square root get cancels out. Integration of cos x minus sin x with respect to x. Now can we integrate it? Yes. Integration of cos x is sin x minus of. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Minus minus plus cos x plus c. Which option here? Option D is correct. In options also we have to write C and all. Otherwise we need to write the C here. Here C should be there. Fine. This is about question number 9. Now answering question number 10. Integration of 1 plus cos square by sin square. Sin square will get divided to both the terms 1 and cos square x. I will write it as 1 by sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x whole integral with respect to x. Now this is integral of 1 by sin square is nothing but cosecant square x plus of cos square x by sin square x is nothing but cot square x. We know the integration of cosecant square x, but we don't know the integration of cot square x. Let me rewrite using the formula. I will use the formula 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosecant square x. So integration of this cosecant square x as it is, this cot square x, I will use the formula. I am writing it as cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. Integration of cosecant square x plus cosecant square x, it is nothing but 2 times cosecant square x minus 1. Now we can integrate very easily. 2 as it is. Integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x. So minus 2 cot x minus integration of 1 with respect to x is x plus c. Which option here? Option C is correct. Next, last question, that is 11th question. Integration of sine inverse of cos x. Here very simple, what you do, sine inverse of cos x is there, cos you write it as sine of 90 minus x, means sine of pi by 2 minus x with respect to x. You see, sine and sine inverse get cancels out. Integration of pi by 2 minus x with respect to x. What is integration of pi by 2? Pi by 2 into x minus, what is integration of x with respect to x? X square by 2 plus c. So pi by 2 minus x square by 2 plus c is the answer. Thank you. We will solve some more problems in the next class.